In this video you will see 1949 drawer restoration process for tools. And here he is an old rusty toolbox. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Now I will show you more details I have to work for. How do you see there are potholes? Most likely you fell. The handle for tools still works properly. Someone must have hammered a nail. Here most likely rust has corroded and made a hole. As you can see, this happened in more than one place on this box. So we proceed to restoration, but do not forget about the means of protection. I used a metal one with a drill attachment. We proceed to the removal of the main layer of rust. Be careful, rust, a lot of dust, use the mask. In this part 1, put a drill and used its advantages. As you can see, there is still a lot of dust. We fixed the toolbox for better fixation during restoration. As you can see, there are a lot of rust, but rust can still be removed. I use a 100 grit sanding disc. It is perfect for this situation. This dust is everywhere. Corrosion ate a hole. I myself thought that it would take much less time. We fixed the toolbox again, but in a different position. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I use a 320 grit sanding disc. I use a hammer to level the surface. As we can see, the nail left a hole. I'll try to even it all out. I don't forget about the inside of the toolbox either. This experience will definitely be useful to me in the future. I do this so that it can be closed in the future. Now let's clean the toolbox from the dust that remains after removing the rust. Hands will need to be washed after this. The dog helps too. We align it to fix the lock in the future so that it closes. Do not forget to degrease the surface for further painting. I use a cloth to completely degrease the surface. We do this procedure several times to degrease. Now we will seal the hole without welding. We will use cold welding. This piece will be enough. Apply a thin layer to the surface. In this way, we go through all the holes from rust. We use masking tape to paint different surfaces with different colors. Shake the paint and apply. In this way, we go through the entire inner surface. Use a different color paint for the outside of the toolbox. We also do several layers of paint. We leave it all to dry for a few hours. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's remember what this toolbox was like before restoration, how rusty it was. Yes, as you can see, a lot of work has been done. All these rusty holes were sealed with cold welding. The dents from the toolbox falling have been repaired. And here it is, the moment of truth. How much work and effort was put into achieving this? As you can see, everything went great. The rusty holes were sealed with cold welding. The inside of the toolbox was painted a different color. The nail hole that was on top was also made with cold welding. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. DIY Man.